Had to do it. I had to do it. Okay, I've been dying to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shada, aka Baby Vamp, and I'm in my new setup. I moved in Dubai. I have a bigger house, so I have a dedicated space for whatever I want, whether it's filming, doing my makeup, just my closet, everything's in here. So I have the space. So hopefully I will make more videos because I want to. Not because anyone's forcing me, because I want to. Anyways, today I'm here with a review on this stunning palette that Jackie Aina collaborated with Anastasia Beverly Hills on, and oh my god, I love this palette. When they announced this palette, at first I was like, yeah, it's cool. Like I was happy for her, but I was like, I wasn't really wowed by the colors. And then I saw the swatches, and I was like, okay, wait a second here, wait a minute. I need that. The only thing is that living in Dubai, things don't come out at the same time, and I was debating if it would even come out at all. Like I tried to call up Sephora and they're like, we don't know what you're talking about. So I was like, great, I'm probably not gonna be able to get it here. So I ordered it through the Anastasia website. I got the PR box, so it comes in this beautiful ass box, which I'm gonna use to display somewhere back there. The unicarton, and then it also comes with this really pretty hollow iridescent unicorn makeup bag, which I love. But this right here is really what we're talking about today. I watched all the other tutorials and they all used, you know, the same shades like Wigglies, they all used Shookington, they all used all the pinks and purples. I knew that I wanted to use the pinks and purples too because those are my favorite colors, but I also wanted to add in a little bit of that green sponsored. This is not sponsored, I wish it was. And yeah, I think in the end it kind of turned out like the palette, like it shifts from pink to purple to green, so really inspired by this. I'm so happy for Jackie. This is a huge year for her. She just got engaged, she just turned 32, she just came out with this palette. Like, sis is killing it. She is a huge inspiration to all people of color. She's one of those people that I will watch every single video of hers, like no matter what it is. It's so entertaining each time. It's so informative and I just love her. So without any further ado, if you want to watch how I created this look, please keep on watching. I also did like a quick face tutorial using like her favorite products like Born This Way concealer, foundation. I did a lot of Fenty, and I also used her Artist Couture Lip Peach highlighter. So yeah, if you want to keep on watching, please do. So I have already started this tutorial and then realized that I made a mistake, so started over from scratch. I just primed my eyes with the P. Louise base, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Big Wig on a kind of a pencil brush from Urban Decay. Just gonna blend out any creasing. I'm really just kind of winging this, but we'll see what happens. Y'all, when this palette was announced, oh my god, I was so excited. Jackie is one of those YouTubers that I will watch every single one of her videos, and that is not very common for me. I kind of started doing that super like Instagram makeup look where you start off with the darker colors and then blend them out with the lighter colors. I'm then gonna go in with Supreme and just tightly pack that onto the edge of that. So I'm just layering this over and over. I like to go in with like little touches of color and then kind of just build it up rather than take a whole lot on my brush. I'm gonna stay with the same color pop brush and the shade Pinker, and then I'm gonna blend that right between the two. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. All the tutorials that I've seen using this palette have been using the pinks and the purples, but I want to put the green shade Sponsored on the lid. I want to do a cut crease of it. So since my camera done bugged on me and cut out me doing this on the other side, I'm gonna do it on this side for you guys so you can see the freaking payoff on this shade, because this is this is no spray, no glitter glue, just regular ass primer, and she already performing like this. Also, don't mind this little patch right here. This eye always does it, which is why I always film on this eye. And I'm taking Soleil again. I'm blending it right into the inner corner, into that green. So I added a little bit of Urban Decay Mildew pencil right in the waterline just to kind of match the green. And then I did the same Big Wig and Supreme under the eye. All I'm gonna do now is do a little thin line of liquid liner just to hide my lash band once I put the lashes on, and some mascara. Do the other eye, put on my lashes, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so I've got my mascara on, I got my little itty bitty baby wing on just because I couldn't help myself. For lashes, I'm gonna go kind of old school. I'm doing Makeup by Suni lashes in the style Mona. I love her lashes. I swear by her lashes. I don't use any other lashes, only hers. And I'm going in with my velour lash glue. Y'all, this look is a vibe. Like, I kind of match the packaging. Like, it goes from green to purple, just like my eyes. All right, now that the eyes are done, I'm just gonna speed through the face, but I'm gonna try to use a lot of like Jackie Aina favorites. So that's it for the video, you guys. If you liked it, please subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment down below. Will you be purchasing this palette? Will you not? Have you already purchased it? If you've done any looks with them on your Instagram, please link your Instagram down below. My Instagram is @babyvampbeauty. I will leave it right here. I don't know why I'm grabbing this up. Leave it right here, and please follow me on there too, because I actually keep up there a lot more frequently than I do here. So yeah, without further ado, I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.